Side note, my first time using this thing with the lemon here. Amazing, you gotta get it, Target. This is our beautiful Giant Rainbow Quinoa Bowl. Some of the benefits for everybody is we have cilantro, which is a really good heavy metal detoxifier for the body. We have carrots high in beta carotene, really great for the skin, helps make vitamin A. We've got red onions, right? Phytonutrient, really good for sulfur, which helps create glutathione in the body. We have tomatoes, which is a really good detoxifier for the skin. We have artichokes, really helps the bile move from your gallbladder. And we have celery, helps alkaline the body, especially if you have it at night, helps remove acids out of the body. We also have cucumbers, really high in vitamin K, really good for the skin, another alkaliner for the body. And we also have, oh my gosh, fresh basil, the basil here, another heavy metal detoxifier. A little bit of vitamin C in that as well. I have some goat cheese here, high in calcium. I have garbanzo and kidney beans, which are high in protein and high in vitamin B, which we all could use because it puts us in a good mood. And on the bottom of this, on the bottom of all these beautiful colors, we have organic quinoa, which is the only grain that has all the amino acids, which has the same amino acid profile as a meat. So if you're giving up meat, that's the go-to. Give your liver a rest for the new year. And that's our giant size rainbow quinoa bowl. This is gonna help you get you through your week, give you some energy. You can make this for breakfast. You can put this in your fridge, let it chill a little bit, bring it to your next barbecue. There's so many possibilities with this. Look at that. So very easy, very simple, high in protein, high in vitamin B, anti-inflammatory. Your digestive system will love it. Look at that, look how pretty. Where healthy foods become delicious.